I would like to request the Birla family to please take their seats. At a historic moment. So without further ado, let me please invite the visionary architect of UltraTech's incredible journey for his address. Please put your hands together for the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla.
Good evening everyone, and thank you for joining us today. The first time I set foot into a cement plant was when I was 20. I was a freshly minted CA and I was set to pursue my MBA after a few years. I had no background in technology or anything remotely technical. This trip was to Bikram Cement in Khor at Madhya Pradesh. It was one of only 2 cement units that the company had back then. I came back from there fascinated. I liked the clockwork discipline with which things worked there, the work culture. Most of all, that we could make a material as significant as cement in a process that seemed quite simple. Surprisingly, I understood the cement making process rather well. My subsequent trips to Bikram Cement and growing familiarity with the business only strengthened my conviction about the cement opportunity. As it happened around then, I read somewhere that cement is the most widely used substance in the world, only after water. With that, my imagination was really fired. But that early fascination was also quickly put through the grind of operational reality. Every month back then, my father and I would sit with the engineering team and analyze all the breakdowns in the cement plants during the previous month, whether they were for mechanical, instrumentation, electrical or process-related issues, and the reasons to be taken to ensure that they don't recur. These sessions were tedious and taxing, and I used to hope that one day we have many more plants making this monthly exercise unsustainable. And as it turns out, that hope has scaled faster than I'd ever imagined. Back then, our cement capacity was under 5 million tons, and today with the commissioning of 3 plants at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Shahjahanpur in UP and Patratu in Jharkhand, UltraTech cement capacity will increase to a little over 200 million tons per annum. I truly believe that this is as much a milestone for India as it is for the Aditya Birla Group, and it holds great significance for me personally as well. This scale is unprecedented. No other company in any other sector in India has ever reached this capacity milestone. It places UltraTech as the largest cement company in the world outside of China. Today, UltraTech cement capacity is almost twice the cement capacity of the United States and greater than the entire cement capacity of the European Union. जो ना रुके, जो ना झुके, वही शिखर को पाता है। इरादों और मेहनत से इतिहास रचा जाता है। The unstoppable, the relentless, and the unshakable team UltraTech has actually created history tonight. Let's give them a huge round of applause. I want to acknowledge the top leadership team of UltraTech, our Managing Director, Mr. K.C. Jhamar. I will request to please stand for the Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Vivek Agarwal, Chief Manufacturing Officer, Mr. E.R. Rajnarayanan, and CFO, Mr. Atul Daga. $200 million tons. Of this 200, about 110 million tons have been built through greenfield and brownfield expansions, and the rest 90 million tons through a series of acquisitions over the years. We started with a bang with the L&T Cement acquisition and never looked back as JP, Binani, Century, Kesoram, and most recently, India Cement joined the UltraTech fold. It took us 36 years to reach 100 million tons. The next 50 million followed in 5, and the 50 after that in just over 2 years. No cement company in the world has added capacity at this pace in the last decade. The last 10 years have been truly transformational for UltraTech, as they've been for India as well. India's highway network has expanded by nearly 60% and metro network by nearly 350%. Daily road construction has tripled to 35 kilometers a day. And when a country begins to build at this scale, cement transcends from being just a material to becoming a national development asset. UltraTech has grown in step with this ambition, rising from a capacity of 60 million tons per annum about a decade ago to over 200 million tons today. What this milestone ultimately represents to me is larger than just a corporate inflection point. It is evidence of an economy that has found both the intent and the capacity to build consistently, decisively, and with increasing velocity. I've always said that scale is not everything, it is the only thing. This 200 million milestone makes me reflect on that yet again. What does scale do? What does it create? What does it signal? And what does it set in motion? To my mind, scale reveals itself in 4 ways: in impact, in reach, in reliability, and in responsibility. The 200 million tons number, in my view, does not represent only our capacity, but it represents India's place in the world. It describes an India that carries scale with confidence in its ambitions, its execution, and its sense of self. Scale is about trust, the trust of a country that has chosen to build with us year after year, the trust of an ecosystem that relies on us to show up on time, every time. हमारी शक्ति की नींव है भरोसा. Few materials offer as clear a reading of a nation's physical progress as cement, which is why UltraTech's contribution to India must be understood not only through tonnage, but where those tons finally go as well. 1 in every 3 homes built in India is built with UltraTech. 2 of every 5 kilometers of NHAI's concrete roads, 4 of every 5 kilometers of metro rail, and 2 of every 5 bags of cement that go into Indian airports. These figures are a measure of how deeply UltraTech is woven into the physical fabric of our country. The central vista